So, hello everyone, and today we'll discuss boat and stream problem. So, boat and stream problem for CSR Net Part A exam. So, speed of the boat along the stream is called downstream. Speed of the boat along the stream is called downstream. Suppose this is a boat and these are the stream. So, stream and boat, if along the stream, then we call it as a downstream. Speed of the boat against the stream is called upstream, right? You can see that if we draw here, speed of the boat along against the stream. Suppose these are boat boat is moving in this direction and stream is in opposite direction. So these are two opposite directions, then we call it as a upstream, right? If the speed of the boat is in still water be x km per hour and the speed of the stream be y km per hour, then speed of the boat along the stream will be x plus y km per hour, x plus y km per hour. So speed of the boat against the stream is x minus y km per hour. So these are the formulas you have to remember for part A question. So if a man rows, you can see here, if a man rows in still water at d km per hour and the rate of the current or stream is u km per hour, then speed of the boat in still water is d plus u km per hour. Speed of the current or stream d minus half into d minus u km per hour. So distance between between the journey of the two places on waterway d equal to t into x square minus y square, d equal to t into x square minus y square by 2x. So d equal to distance, speed of the boat in still water and speed of the current is the y. Suppose say if it is distance between two places, you have to calculate the distance between A and B, distance between two places where the speed of the boat is given in still water and speed of the current is also given. Then you can calculate the distance between A and B or 2 points that can be calculated. So these are formulas, important formulas for boat and stream. So speed of the boat along the stream is called downstream. Speed of the boat against the stream is called upstream. If the speed of the boat in still water is x km per hour and speed of that stream is y km per hour, then speed of the boat along the stream is x plus y km per hour. Speed of the boat against the stream is x minus y km per hour. Now, if a man rows in still water, that is d km per hour, and the rate of the current on stream is u km per hour, then speed of the boat in still water is d plus u by 2 km per hour. Now, another is the distance between the journey of the two places of water on watery way, d equal to t into x square minus y square by 2x, right? So next we will see the different problems related to boat and stream, right? So you can see that examples also. So a man rows upstream at 13 km per hours and downstream 17 km per hours. Find the man's speed in still water and the speed of the current. So how can solve that? Speed of the upstream is given, that is 13 km per hour. Speed of the downstream is given 17 km per hour, right? Speed of the upstream is given and speed of the downstream is given. Now man's speed in still water is, we know that formula, half into d plus u by 2 or d plus u by 2 or half into d plus u, right, km per hour. So half, and now here is the upstream speed. Speed of the downstream is given 17 km per hour. Speed of the upstream is given 13 km per hour. So 13 plus 17, that is 30 by 2, that is 15 km per hour. Now rate of the current. Rate of the current is half into d minus u km per hour, that is half into 17 minus 13, that is 2 km per hour. Now come into another problem. Now problem number 2, it says a man can rows at the 7 km per hour in still water and the speed of the current is 3 km per hour, right? It takes 7 hours to row a place and back. How far the place is, right? So this is just man is rows at 7 km per hour. So speed of the man, we know that formula is distance equal to d equal to t into x square minus y square by 2x, x square minus y square by 2x, t equal to the total distance, t equal to d equal to total distance, d equal to total distance between up and down, right? And t is the total time, t is the total time, and here so t equal to the value of t equal to 7 hours, x is the speed of the man in still water. Now see that a man can row 7 km per hour, so x equal to 7 km per hour, right? Another is the speed of the current, is y, so y equal to here 3 km per hour. Now so distance, so you have to calculate the distance, how far the place, so distance equal to, just put the d equal to t into x square 7 square, that is 49, minus y square by 2 into x. So and t equal to here, t is 7 km per hour, so 7 plus 7 into 7 into 40 by 14, so 20 km. So distance between how far the place is, the distance is 20 km. So these are the formula. Hope let's say these two problems are important for CS and NET point of view. Thank you.